My dear students, I am going to explain the relation between capital F, small m, and small a. Here, capital F stands for force applied. Small m stands for mass of the object on which force is applied. And small a stands for acceleration produced in the body when force is applied. You know that whenever a force is applied on an object, there is some change. Yeah, this change can be in different ways. Speed can be decreased or increased. So, what acceleration is produced in that body? For that, we use A. So, force is equals to mass into acceleration. And so we write F equals to ma. That means capital F equals to small m into small a. So, F equals to ma. So, here three physical quantities are there: force, mass, and acceleration. So out of these three physical quantities, if two physical quantity we know, the third physical quantity we can calculate. So in that case, A will be, that is acceleration equals to force by mass, that is A equals to F by m. And again, if mass we have to calculate and rest two other are given, then mass equals to force by acceleration, that is m equals to F by A. So in this way, we get the third physical quantity if two are known. So we write force equals to mass into acceleration. And so if F we are finding, then its unit will be Newton. Capital N you write, or small n E W T O N you write. If mass you are calculating, then it will be kilogram. If A you are calculating, then its unit will be meter per second square. So in this way, we will use the unit also whenever these physical quantities. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.